What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video I am so excited because I have been waiting to film this video for the longest time ever, and finally today is the day where I finally have this item in my hand. I got myself the G7X camera and I finally have it in my hands. I worked my butt for this and now that I finally have it, I am gonna be doing an unboxing video. So if you're interested in knowing about this camera, where I got it and how much I got it for, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so I have the camera right here with me. I'm not going to show you guys. In fact, I'm gonna because it does have emailing information and stuff like that right here. So in this box, I do know that it only has the camera. This is just like protection, I guess, like so it won't break or something. I do know that it is just the camera. It doesn't come with anything else other than like a wrist what is it, like a wristband I think, and the battery charger and a battery. There was two different deals, I believe. There was this deal that I got where, like I said, it comes with the items that I just mentioned. The other deal was where you got the camera with all of the stuff in it, and then also you would get a SD card, I believe, and a tripod. But I did get the lowest like price deal. The deal that I got was, I believe it was like the 640 something, 49 I believe. I will double check though for you guys. I will have the link in the description box for you guys to see. But yeah, the deal that I got was the 649 deal, where it's just a camera. It has the wristband, it has the battery charger, and it has the battery. The reason I got that one is because it already seemed expensive to me. In total, like with the taxes and everything, it was 701 with something cents. Online in the Best Buy website, I will have the exact link, the exact deal that I got down in my description box if you guys want to go check it out. But I did get the 649 one, but like I said, with taxes and I don't think it charged me shipping because I didn't go get it in my nearest Best Buy. I could have, but I was like, I'll just order it online so I can get it and do like a unboxing video for you guys, which it came in this little box right here. And then I do have the SD card and then a tripod that I bought separate from the camera. I went to Walmart today and I purchased these two things there. But I think I'm gonna be returning this tripod because I am using a tripod right now to film as of right now. So basically this tripod is like a how to explain it, like it was meant to be more like to hold your phone type of tripod. I don't know if this is like a really like bendable one, but the one I have is like super bendable. I call it like a spider because it literally like grips on whatever, like it's gripped onto my ring light right now. I literally did not think that I could use that tripod because I was just messing with it and I was like,
okay, let me see if I can take this thing off and then put it on the camera and then unscrew this from the tripod and put the little like stretch thingy on the tripod.
But I think I am gonna be returning this tripod back because this was like about 20 bucks, you guys, and I don't think I'm gonna be using it. But as of the SD card, I am not gonna be returning this back because I'm pretty sure that this SD card will fit to the camera because I mean, why wouldn't it? This SD card, it is the 64 gigabyte 4K SD card. I don't know if you guys can see up here. This SD card was almost $20 as well. I did make my research that if you connect your camera with Wi-Fi, you are able to transfer whatever you filmed on the camera to your phone through Wi-Fi. I still need to find out how to do that because, to be honest, I do not know how to do that. But I do know that you are able to transfer whatever you filmed on the camera to your phone. But enough is enough of all of that talking. Now let's get into unboxing the camera, which it is right here, you guys. So this is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. It just comes in this literally has nothing. It's just let's go ahead and open it. So the first thing you see when you open it is all of this like paper stuff. Of course, like what doesn't ever come with paper stuff. All right, so here it is. I believe this is the camera right here, but we are gonna take a look of it after we see what else is in there. The camera did come with a battery charger, a battery, and the wristband. So yeah, it comes with the wristband. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a really like super thin, like not hard wristband, but this is actually like super, like it's thick. I don't know if you guys can see. I believe this is the, yeah, this is the battery charger. So here is the battery. So you're gonna put this in here and you're gonna plug it to the wall and it's gonna be charging. But yeah, this is the battery charger and this is the Canon's battery. So it's a little thingy like this. It's super tiny. The moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm acting like I haven't seen it. When I was going to my nearest Best Buy, I would look at it and I would say to myself, one day I'm gonna have this camera in my hands and I'm not gonna just like hold it there at the store. I cannot believe I have this in my hands right now. It literally like is smaller than like my hand. I don't know if you guys can see, like it's super like pitch black and shiny and like it just like matches me so perfect. The thing that I loved about this camera, that this camera does not just film like this, just does not have like the lens like this, like the viewfinder. I think this is called the viewfinder, but this is a flippable, I don't know if that's how you say it, in case like I feel like, you know, recording myself, because obviously you want to see how you look in the screen. I'm gonna figure out how to insert the SD card. I have seen that when people unbox the camera, it doesn't have a lot of battery because I don't think that the battery is fully charged. It's probably, it has like literally like a little bit of battery. Where does the battery even go? Oh, okay guys, so it literally took me like 10 minutes to figure out how to insert the battery in there and the SD card, which I already opened up. So the SD card does go inside in the same spot as the battery. So the battery goes here and the SD card goes right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on right here. It has the on and off button right here. So we're gonna go ahead and click right there. So when you turn it on, it takes you directly to this, like, so it wants you to like set like the time, the dates, the month, the year, I guess. You can skip it, but if you want to change it, you can do it. But to be honest, I don't know if this is touchscreen. I'm gonna, oh yeah, it is. Look, you guys can hear it clicking. Yeah, it's touchscreen. Okay. Oh my god, it's already rolling. I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see how I look. I'm gonna flip the camera. Let's see if it'll do any difference. I know you guys can't see right now what I'm seeing on the camera, so I'm gonna like switch like the whole video to the camera. Hopefully I am gonna be able to transfer what I filmed here, that way I can have it all put together. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Okay you guys, as of now I have switched on to the G7X. I want to show you guys like how it focuses and unfocuses. So this is like the farthest like my hand can extend, but if I like zoom in, I don't know if you guys can see how it like how fast it focuses like in your face. A lot of people were, I heard and seen that they were complaining that this camera doesn't focus very like quick, but I feel like it does, because watch this. I'm gonna put this up close and I feel like it's gonna focus right like super fast. Do you guys see that? Alright guys, so I only got to film a little bit on the camera because it is dying, as you guys can see. Like I said, they don't charge the battery, like it comes super dead, so I'm gonna charge it overnight and film tomorrow. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow and see how long it will last throughout the whole day. But oh my god, you guys, I'm in love with it. Like, I'm not complaining about anything, to be honest, but I do have a lot of learning to do with the camera because I do not know what any of these buttons do. But other than that, you guys, I am obsessed with this camera already. I love it. I love how small it is. Like, it's just super nice. Like, I can literally fit this in my pocket, to be honest. But yeah, you guys, this is the famous Canon G7X Mark II. But yeah, you guys, that is the unboxing of this camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would appreciate it very, very much. And if you haven't followed me on my social medias, I will have them somewhere on the screen, or I will put them down in the description box below, like always. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.